Hi everybody, I wanted to give you a look at our mystery embellishments, and our website says that you get $30 worth of product in every mystery embellishment pack, and I just wanted to let you take a peek at what's inside. So I just grabbed this one randomly off the shelf in our Paper Wishes warehouse. So let's see what's in it. Now remember, every one of these kits is different. So this is just an example of just one. All right, so it looks like here I've got some sparkly washi tape, okay, some attachment frames and attachment ribbons. That's a little attachment vinyl tag. And let's see, oh, quite a bit of embossed charms. Some of these, let's see, these are all cutout ones. Some of them will be die cut. These happen to be cutouts. Oh yeah, a little pack of cute Brad Buddies, Princess Brad Buddies, ribbon and brads, and little starbursts and crowns. That's really cute. And some chipboard. This is double-sided. All right. Oh, and a little circle chipboard album. It's already punched here, and it's got your ring, so you can just cover it with paper, the pages in it. Okay, we've got some dazzles, double stick ornament dazzles, and some black jewel bird sticker dazzles. This is dazzle. This is like the dazzle sheeting that we have the dazzles cut from. So you could die cut this. And then here's some really cute die cut. These are actually cards where you would put this punched out image along the fold of a card and then use foam tape to layer all the pieces, so there's enough there to make 2 princess cards. Some labels. Oh, a bunch of buttons. Here's some more chipboard. Happy birthday, celebrate. Those would be fun cards. Oh, and then a lot of 12 by 12 sheets of stickers. Okay, there's one. These are really pretty silver ones. Pastels. Sisters. Dear old dad. It's got Father's Day and all kinds of cute sentiments on it. Here's some gold ones. Ooh, some chili peppers. And here's one that's like, oh, these are sort of faith stickers. I really like those. And here's another larger version of the vinyl tag. This is for school. Ooh, really? This is some pretty holographic paper. This is a copper color. It's like a burst. This is fireworks holographic paper. Oh, and then this whole little pack of goodies. There's brads in here. There's little jewel dazzles. All kinds of good stuff in there. Ooh. Okay, and then you also have an assortment of papers. Here's 2 sheets of cardstock. Oh, these are pretty fall. Oh, and here we've got a whole sheet hidden in there, foiled fancies. With these, I love to sand the surfaces of these because it reveals the silver finish under the gold finish. You can also paint them, let them dry, and then sand off the paint, and the paint will stay in the crevices. So foiled fancies, that's one of my favorite products. So another sheet of striped paper, some brown polka dots, perfect for fall. Wow, you get a lot of paper in here. Here's some more striped paper. Whoops. Oh, some really pretty rose paper. 2 sheets of that. 2 sheets of little squares with pearls. Oh, this matches the cardstock. Somebody thought that out. Looks like you're getting 2 to 3 sheets of every one. Look at these. Wow, there's a lot of paper in here. Some blue, and I think these are the last ones. Some ivory sort of framed paper. All right, so before we started, I have to tell you, I took all this stuff out and did look at it ahead of time, and I added all the retail prices together for all of this product, and it was over $53 worth of product, and you're getting it for an amazing price. So check out our website. The embellishment kits are on sale right now, the mystery embellishment kits. Check it out. It's a great value.